Hey everyone, welcome back to Talking Vibes, the podcast where we keep it chill but dive deep into stuff that actually matters. Today's episode is called Enjoy the Game or Fear the Miss. We are gonna talk about FOMO in sport. Does it really make us enjoy the game more, or is it just another source of stress and social anxiety? And I'm not trolling solo today. I have got three amazing guests joining me. First up, we have got Zizi. She is the girl who just cannot skip any trending workout. Hi Zizi!
Hey, hey, guilty as charged. If there's a new sport here, you bet I'm already signed up. If not, I feel left out.
Next is Jennifer, a researcher who digs into sport trends and how people actually behave around them. Hi Jennifer!
Hi everyone! So glad to be here. Can't wait to share some findings for my research.
And last but not least, we have got Fanny, a psychologist who will break down the mental side of all this FOMO stuff. Hi Fanny!
Hey there, excited to talk about this because sports will be fun and healthy, but some days FOMO flips it into pressure.
Exactly. So let's dive and see where this conversation takes us. Zizi, you are basically the poster girl for sport FOMO. Tell us the truth. Do you actually enjoy all this sport or you just don't wanna be left out?
Haha, missed it. Most of the time, it's not about the sports. It's about not wanting the only one who can join the conversation.
So like when paddle blow up, you jump it right away.
Exactly. My friends booked a card. I was there. I didn't even know the rules yet.
Love it. Classic move. Jenny, you are hearing this? Does it match what you see in your research?
Oh, totally. A lot of people join sport trends because they don't want to feel left out. And yes, it gets them moving, but usually only while the hype lasts. Once the trend cools off, so does their motivation. In fact, one study in Indonesia found that almost 65% of young adults tried a new sport last year because of social media or peer influence. But here's the twist. Only about 20% kept doing it consistently after 3 months. The rest, they dropped off once the buzz died down.
Right. So gym pack in January goes down by March. That's the cycle.
Exactly. FOMO is like a starter engine. It gets you going, but it won't keep the car running forever.
Zizi, sound like Jenny just called you a starter engine. You gonna take that?
Fair enough. I mean, she's not wrong.
Funny, what do you think? Is being a starter engine actually harmful or is it fine as long as Zizi is moving?
Well, it depends if FOMO gets Zizi out of the house, moving his body, hanging out with friends. Create the positive, but if it's driven by fear of being left behind, for fear of missing the social boost that can create anxiety. There was even a survey last year that showed over 40% of young adults feel pressured to join sport trend just because their friends are doing it, and about 1 in 4 said in actually made them more unserious instead of happy.
So, same action to possible outcomes, fun or fear.
Exactly, motivation is the key. If it's joy driven, you're good. If it's fear driven, that's when you start feeling drained.
Zizi, be honest. When you are sweating it out on some random new spot, are you thinking this is fun or thank God I won't be left out?
50-50 maybe? Sometimes I'm having fun, but sometimes I'm like, okay, at least I can join the group chat later. See, that's literally the FOMO pattern.
Boom! Case study in real time. Thanks for being Johnny Pick Zizi.
Haha, happy to serve.
Thanks Zizi for being so honest. I think a lot of listeners can totally see themselves in your story.
Yeah, she's basically the living example of what the data shows.
And the good part is, at last, she's moving and socializing. It's just about keeping it healthy and not letting the fear take over.
Exactly. That's the sweet spot, right? Sports should be fun, not another kind of homework. So, what did we learn today? FOMO can be that little push to get you started, but if you really on it too much, it can also drain you. It all comes down to the why. Are you in it for joy or just afraid to mass out big salt? Or to our guest today, Zizi, the part foremost start engine, Jennifer with the stat that slapped us with reality, and Fanny who made sure we don't lose our mind in the process. And for you guys listening, keep moving, keep it fun, and remember,
Don't just fear the miss,
enjoy
enjoy
the
the
game.
game.
Catch you in the next episode of Talking Vibes. Until then, stay still, stay real.
Bye!